Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new crochet tutorial. I'm Suma and today I'm going to show you how to make a crochet popsicle, which is a part of the ice cream crochet blanket. All the information you need will be mentioned in the description box, so make sure to take a look at it. And you can find the blog post which has the charts, the written pattern, the pictures, everything you need to know, also in the description box, so make sure to take a look at it as well. Now before we start, it would be very kind of you if you give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please click on the subscribe button. One last thing, you can get updated on all the blog posts and video tutorials by following my Facebook and Instagram accounts found in the description box as well. So let's start with this pattern. What I need for this pattern is 2 colors of yarn. So I'm using this peachy color and I'm using Alize Happy Baby yarn, which is perfect for babies obviously, and I'm gonna use beige yarn to make the popsicle stick. So let's start with this easy pattern. First, I'm going to work on the top of the popsicle. What I need to do is grab my yarn and make a starter knot and chain 8. Next, I'm going to chain 1 and yarn over, and in the second chain from the hook I will insert my hook and I will make 1 double crochet. Next, I'm going to make 1 double crochet in each of the next 6 chains. So in the 8th chain we will make 6 double crochets all in the same chain. So 1, 2 and 6. Now we're at the point that we need to work at the bottom of each stitch. So here just make 1 double crochet in each of the next 7 stitches at the bottom of each 1 double crochet. So right here I'm going to insert my hook and make 1, and the next I will make 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and finally 7. Okay, so we're done with row number 1, and now we will flip our work and start with the chain again. Yarn over and in the first stitch make 1 double crochet. Next, yarn over and in the next 6 stitches make 1 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we're at the point where we did 6 double crochets in the same chain, and here what we need to do is over 1 double crochet in the next stitch, then yarn over and in the next stitch we're gonna make 3 double crochets. Now yarn over and make 1 double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. Again yarn over and in the next stitch make 3 double crochets. 1, 2 and 3. And from here on you need to do 1 double crochet in each stitch. And finally 8. So we're done with the first part of this popsicle. As you can see here, we need to do this 3D effect to make a 3D depth look for the popsicle. So next I'm going to flip my work, chain 1, yarn over, and insert my hook from behind the post of the first double crochet. So this stitch will be a front post double crochet. We will make 1 double crochet. Next we will repeat this step. For the next stitch I'm going to insert my hook behind the post of the second double crochet. Repeat this step one more time, so we have 3 stitches like this. And next, yarn over, insert your hook behind the post of the 4th stitch, and here we're going to pull our yarn and make a half double crochet. It will be a front post half double crochet. Repeat this stitch 2 more times, 1 and 2. Next, without a yarn over, insert your hook behind the post of the next stitch and make a single crochet. Repeat this step 3 more times, 1, 2 and 3. Finally, in the next stitch I'm going to insert my hook behind the post and just slip stitch to finish off the work. Slip stitch again or chain, and we're going to cut the yarn, and here you have it. Just pull this yarn like this, clean the threads, weave them in, and you will have this 3D effect for the popsicle. Next we're going to make the popsicle stick, which is very easy, and we need to sew them together. Okay, so now to make the popsicle stick we need to work with the beige yarn, and this one will be very easy. I'm going to make my starter knot and chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. I will chain an additional chain, and in the second chain from the hook, insert your hook and make a single crochet. Then make 1 single crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. So we have 3 single crochets. Okay, next chain 1, and we're flipping the work, and again make 1 single crochet in each stitch, and that's it. You need to repeat this step until you have 6 rows of single crochets. So now that I'm done with the 6 rows, I need to chain 1 and pull my yarn, and this time I'm going to pull a long tail of yarn and cut my yarn, and I'm taking a sewing needle and taking this long thread, and I will sew these 2 together. And the way that I need to do this is simply I'm going to insert this piece behind the popsicle top like this. I don't need it to be aligned, I don't need to be over the popsicle, that's not right, and make sure that this part is at the top. And I'm just going to attach them together. Okay, now I need to cut the yarn. And that's it. It's as simple as that. Sorry. And here's my popsicle. It's very cute and it doesn't take much time to make. So thank you for watching, and I hope you take a look at the blanket. See you next time. Goodbye.